how we can configure and with a real life scenario. So let's just take that there is a rental agreement and we would want to fill out the owner as well as the tenant details from a data source and send the document for signing so that both the parties, the owner and the tenant, puts in their signature, and we are going to save it into WorkDrive for future reference. So let me show you how this entire workflow can be done using Zoho Writer. So here we have a rental agreement form, and this is a PDF form that I have imported. So I have downloaded a sample rental agreement form from the internet, and this was in a PDF format. I just simply uploaded it and make use of the field. So once I connect the data source, all the fields will be available in the left panel. I can simply go ahead and drag and drop the fields as per my requirement into the PDF document. So to import the PDF document, you can simply go to File and click on Upload Document and choose the required format, whether it is a merge, sign, or a fillable template, and click on Browse option to simply upload the PDF from your local machine. And once this upload process is completed and once you have configured the fields, you can go ahead and insert the signer fields. So here you can see that I've inserted the tenant's signature and the owner's signature. So I've used signer A and signer B in this option, and I'm going to use merge and send for sign collection. And in here I've used the tenant's email and the owner's email from my data source, and I have configured them as signers for 1 and 2. And not only that, I have also made sure that only after the tenant's signature is completed, the documents gets to the owner for final signature. So I have selected sign in the above order so that only after the tenant signs the document, the owner will be able to sign the document. So now once this is completed, I'm going to advanced settings and I'm selecting an option to save the copy of the signed documents to Zoho WorkDrive. So I've chosen a preferred location in my Zoho WorkDrive, and I'm going to push these signed documents after the signature is completed to WorkDrive. And not only that, you can also have an option to email the signed documents, or you can execute a custom function. So we do have options for a predefined gallery, which will allow you to push the documents, the signed documents, to Google Drive, OneDrive, or Zoho CRM, etc. So you can make use of these, any one of the functions, or you can write your own scripts to push these documents to any third-party applications. So once this process is completed, all I have to do is just click on Run Merge so that the information from my data source gets populated in Zoho, the writer merged document, and then it goes for signature process. So here you can see that all these informations are pulled from the data source and it's seamlessly integrated with the PDF that I've added.